Hello friends, this is Sriman Telgave. So today we will learn about abstract class in a C#, and this tutorial is only for a fresher, not for the experienced people. So let's start. So what is meant by abstract class? An abstract class can contain abstract and non-abstract member. Abstract class can contain abstract and non-abstract member. An abstract class can be used as a base class. So abstract class can be used as a base class. We cannot create object of an abstract class. An abstract method does not have body or the abstract method does not have body and a definition. So an abstract class cannot be marked as a sealed class. A abstract class cannot be marked as sealed class. Why? Because abstract class is used as a base class and it can be inherited to the derived class, but sealed class is a final class. We cannot inherit the sealed class to the derived class. So that's why abstract class cannot be marked as a sealed class. We can create abstract class and method by using abstract keyword. We can create abstract class and method by using a abstract keyword. Once we inherit the abstract class in derived class, then we must provide the definition to the abstract member. Once we inherit the abstract class in a derived class, then we must provide the definition to the abstract member. We can implement abstract method by using override keyword. Syntax of creating abstract class. Syntax of creating a abstract class. Modifier, abstract keyword, class and a class name. So this is a syntax for creating the abstract class. And one more syntax for creating the abstract method. Creating the abstract method. The syntax for creating the abstract method. So syntax is simply a modifier abstract keyword, a return type and a method name and semicolon. So simply the modifier, abstract keyword and a return type, you can provide any return type, and a method name and semicolon. So let's start with example so you can understand in a detail. Let's start. So you can create one project called as abstract class project, and I will create one class called a public abstract class, and class name is discounted customer. I will simply say a discounted customer. It has some property. I will define a property int. I will simply say a cust id. Second one is a string, first name, and string last name, and integer. I will simply say a price, and one more is int, a discount. So I have created six properties: the customer ID, first name, last name, price and a discount. So I will create one method, a non-abstract method, a public. Return type is, I will simply say a string, and a get full name. So it return a name of the customer. So this method is return the name of the customer, or simply say this dot first name, and I will concatenate by using a plus operator. This dot last name. So this is a non-abstract method. So abstract class can contain abstract and non-abstract method. This is a non-abstract method, and we will create one abstract method, that is a public. We simply say return type is int, and a method name is calculate discount. So abstract method is always have the abstract keyword. So simply say a public abstract keyword, a return type and a method name. So if you try to provide the body or a definition to the abstract method, then it will throw an error. Let's try. I will build the application. So you can see we cannot provide the definition or body to the abstract method, cannot declare body because it is marked as abstract. So we cannot provide a definition to the abstract method. And to implement the discount customer, I will create one class called a customer. So I will implement the discount customer. So once we inherit the abstract class in a derived class, then we must provide the definition to the abstract member. So we have one abstract method called as a calculate a discount. So we will provide the definition to the abstract method. So simply say a public, and so to implement the abstract member in a derived class, we use a override keyword. So we use a override keyword, a return type is int, and I will simply say calculate a discount method, and I will simply say a return this dot a price into this dot a discount divided by 100. We have defined a definition to the abstract method. So simply a public is the access modifier, override is the keyword to implement the abstract member in a derived class, and int is a return type, and calculate discount is the method name. And just I have written a return this dot price into this dot discount divided by 100. So let's try to access the member. So, and one more thing, we cannot create the object of abstract class. Let's check. Discount customer is equal to new a discount customer. If we try to create the object of abstract class, then it will throw an error. We cannot create an instance of abstract class. So we cannot create the object of abstract class. So simply I will create the object of a customer class. Customer is equal to a new customer, and I will initialize the member by using a object initializer. This is object initializer. Customer ID is equal to 101, and a first name is equal to, I will simply say a Balaji, and we can say a last name is, we can say M is the last name, and a price is equal to, we can say 500, and last is a discount. So this customer I will provide the 10% discount. So simply the discount is 10%. And I will write a console.write line, and I will say customer full name is, and I will simply call the method a customer dot get full name. Simply this is a very simple, and I will say the price is, this is our original price, customer dot price is this, and we can say a discount is rupees. Customer dot calculate a discount is the method. So I will build the application, and I will simply run the application. So you can see the customer full name is Balaji M, and the price is 500, and this customer has get the 10% discount. It's in a rupees, 50 rupees. So This is a simple example to understand the basic concept of an abstract class. So this is all about abstract class. So if you like my video, please subscribe me. That will be encourage me to develop more and more video. Thank you.